So we are unboxing Redmi 13 mobile phone. Today we received our order from Amazon. So we are unwrapping, unboxing. So our phone. It is completely sealed over here. As you can see, so this is the bill, and here is our phone. Note 13, Redmi Note 13 5G model from me, made in India. It's written over here. So it's completely sealed and wrapped. India's most loved smartphone 23, their most trusted mobile phone brand. It has 33-watt turbocharged inbox Gorilla Glass, India ready 5G to 20 GB RAM, AMOLED display 120 Hz, super slim design, 7.6 mm. This is seal, box seal. So, so here is our phone. Its cover, its phone cover. It's pin for SIM tray. This is manual, and here is our phone. Here it is. As you can see, gorgeous phone. Look at it, completely covered. Slim phone. Charging cable, and 30 watt 3 watt adapter from Xiaomi. Phone seems amazing, absolutely amazing. So it's our cover which we are going to use, designed by Redmi. Cover is also amazing from the company. So where is SIM tray? Here we can insert a SIM. For the charging. Powered by Android. Phone looks amazing in our hand. 108 megapixel triple cam. So it's starting. MIUI 14. English language. We are going to choose India. This phone actually feels very slim in our hand. As you can see, it's very slim phone. Looks very amazing. You can also copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. or an iPhone or iPad, turn it on and keep it unlocked. We need to connect both devices together on cable to copy. The next part I will show you in my next video. So it was unboxing. So after setting up this device, after transferring data, I will show you the next part in our next video. You can see next part and in our next video. So thank you so much for connecting. As you can see, the device seems very amazing.